Get standard 8 perfect notes for maths and general science to get excellent grades in your exams. The books are based on the latest Maharashtra State Board textbook. Ideal solutions for textual exercises, practice problems, and additional questions are provided. For science, diagram and paragraph-based questions are included too. Learn how to solve numericals with stepwise solutions under the illustrative examples. Quickly recap each lesson with memory maps. And learn interesting scientific facts from Gyan Guru. In maths, problems have been distributed topic-wise so students can study systematically. Understanding maths is made easy with study tools like Smart Check, and remember this. Find all the important formulae at the end of the book for last-minute revision. Students can evaluate their knowledge with chapter assessments. Get perfect notes for great scores. Shop now.